Hello, everyone, and welcome to Small Garden Big Harvest. Today, Greg and I are going to build a block bed. A block bed is very easy to build, it's cost effective, and you don't really need any tools. So, let's get started. The first thing we did was to decide where we was going to place the bed, and then we had to decide on the shape. The shape is a small square, 3 blocks around on each side. And you may say, why did you pick a small square? It's because we're a small garden and big harvest. So let's start filling the bed. The first layer is going to be cardboard. When the cardboard is broken down, it will provide carbon to the soil. Now the next layer is going to be dried leaves and recycled soil. Once the dried leaves breaks down, it will provide carbon also to the soil. And we use recycled soil because we never throw the soil away. We just refresh it year after year. Now the next layer is going to be a fresh bag of soil. And we are using Jungle Growth. It's a pretty good soil for a bed, and it has less wood particles in the soil. Now, if your soil has a lot of wood in it, you can always sift your soil with a garden sifter. Now we're going to add our amendments. The first thing we're going to add is the Black Cow compost. It is tried and true for us, but you can use any compost that you like. Now the next layer, we are going to add our amendments. All right, we're going to add our blood meal. Next, we're going to add our bone meal. Now we're going to add the earthworm castings. Okay, and next we're going to add the perlite. And a slow release fertilizer. Now we can mix it all in. Now we're going to water everything in. And once everything is watered in, our bed is ready for planting. What do you suggest that we plant in this bed? Leave your suggestions in the comments. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.